the weekend, I traveled to Los Angeles to participate in a beach tennis tournament in Hermosa Beach, California. Here's a sneak peek for you. The IFBT G3 hosted in Hermosa Beach, California doesn't have as much participation as the international event in Aruba. Nonetheless, players of the sport travel to LA to join the excitement. The atmosphere is most certainly more relaxed and less competitive compared to Aruba. The Beach Tennis Association in LA have been working tirelessly to get the necessary permits for courts and events to be held in Hermosa Beach, but due to strict government regulations, it hasn't been easy. I was able to meet and network with other players to promote Aruba's International Beach Tennis Tournament in November. As a beach tennis player myself on the island, it made me appreciate more of the fantastic facility Beach Tennis Aruba has set up at the Tropicana Hotel, seeing as the Beach Tennis Association in LA has been having some hard time with setting up permanent courts here in Hermosa Beach. Hi everyone, to all the ATV viewers out there, this is Yentl reporting to you from Hermosa Beach, California. We are currently here at the IFBT G3 Beach Tennis Tournament, and just to let you know, for this sport, many of the athletes travel around the world to play, and including Aruban players as well. They come over to Aruba in November for the big Beach Tennis Aruba tournament as well. So we just came here to check it out and wanted you to have a glimpse of it.